Hello guys, as you know I had some issues with the turbo and I fixed the turbo. It cost in Romania about near 400 euros and the inside of the turbo was damaged. One thing on that was damaged and they changed the oil, the filters, the diesel filter, and now it's running much smoother, much quiet. It doesn't make a lot of noise like it used to. So the garage that I was, they take down the turbo and went with the turbo at a different repair service, but altogether was around 400 euros. So I did about when I fixed the turbo, was the kilometer was 276,439. So I did like 43 kilometers. The mechanic on the service told me that I should drive the first 100 to 200 kilometers really easy with the turbine, with the engine maximum 3000 rpm. But like I said, it's much smoother, much quiet. I'm gonna rev up now the engine a little bit. So that's it. If you in your country had a similar issue with on the turbo diesel on Euro 4 engines from the VAG group, just let me know in the comment what country are you from and how much it cost you to fix the turbo. Thank you for watching and leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.